Just once tonight, before the words learn how to hide. Every thought we folded small behind a carefully painted wall. We walk these paths like they are real, soft ground beneath what we don't feel. Say it low or say it plain before the colors start to still blooms the lies we chose. The roses grow without a scar, fed by all the things we are. Afraid to lose, afraid to break the promises we never make. Let's try it once, just once again, before the garden learns to bend. We always say it's you and me, as if that keeps us safe somehow. But every smile that we rehearse is asking something from us now. I taste the sugar in the air, it covers something sharp beneath. Every step we take together truth breaks what we've grown, then maybe it was never strong. I'd rather walk on broken ground than sing another borrowed song. Dress it up, let it land where it may land. If this garden disappears, at least we stood on honest land. Let's try it once, just once again. No more shadows dressed as friends. If it falls, then let it fall. I'd rather lose than never end. Let's try it once, still, but we are not.